Hi everyone, welcome back to MR Vlog. Hi everyone, so for today's video I'll be showing you 10 things that I do at home. If you would like to see those things, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so I forgot to mention to you guys that my cousin Joanna Reyes is also coming out with a new video similar to what I did on this video. It's gonna be 10 things you can do to be productive at home. So please subscribe to her channel. I'll be linking it down below so you can check out her new video on Monday 1 p.m. EST. Okay guys, thank you.
Surprise, surprise! The first one is clean your area or clean your environment. For me, it's very important that we have a clean house or clean home because we live in it. A neat and clean home is more comfortable to live in. So right now, I'm just cleaning the living room area. This is where I found myself to film because it was very quiet at that moment. For me, a clean space is very important because we are neat around the surroundings and I could easily find the stuff that I'm looking for because I know where I place them. That is why cleaning is very important when we're at home. Plus, we have so much time to do cleaning because we're just at home, so make the most out of it. The second one on my list is to read your Bible or a book that you really love or that you've been wanting to read. I love to read the Bible, either the manual version or my phone version, because I learn a lot. I draw strength from it. It makes me more closer to God. It enlightens me and it uplifts my spirit. That is why I love to read the Bible. At this point, I was just writing on my journal that was given to me by my cousin Eliza. Of course, you could read any book that you would like. This one is from Joyce Meyer. It's How to Be Successful at Being Yourself. I enjoy reading this one. I just started reading it, and make sure that you have some drink when you're reading because it just refreshes you as well. So this one is lemon water. The next one is try to learn something new. I'm still learning my ukulele. I'm still learning some chords. And here I will share a song with you guys.
What a beautiful name it is.
You can also try learning a new dance or choreography that you've seen on TikTok or YouTube like me. Number 4 is catch up with some work or homework if you are a student. So if you're a student and you're studying and you have online classes, please don't procrastinate and do your homeworks and your assignments so you can submit them on time. And if you are working from home, make sure that you schedule all your tasks, all your meetings so you don't forget them and that you could be there on time as well. Now I'm just doing YouTube because that's the only work that I have right now. Number 5 on the list is what I dread the most: exercising and stretching. Exercise helps people lose weight and lower the risk of some diseases, including obesity, type 2 diabetes, and high blood pressure. It can help us age well. It might not seem important now, but your body will thank you later. Stretching is also important because it keeps our muscles flexible, strong, and healthy. And we need that flexibility to maintain a range of motion in the joints. Without it, our muscles will shorten and become tight, and will put us at risk for joint pain, strains, and muscle damage.
Yeah, tapos pwede rin yung mag-bend ka tapos ganyan.
Please join me in this workout challenge. I'm doing Chloe Ting's 35 days summer shred challenge on her website chloeting.com, or you can check out her YouTube videos on YouTube at Chloe Ting. Number 6 on the list is cook something delicious or bake something nice. For me, I opted for the baking part because this is my first time to bake a muffin, and I'm using the Quaker Oats pre-mixed oatmeal muffin. So I'm just adding some water and 1 piece of egg. Baking is good for some people because it gives you directions or like the proper ingredients, measurements that you can follow. But I really love cooking because I could just add whatever I want, however I want it to taste. So that's why I tried to do baking, because it's my first time and it's something I really loved.
Just oatmeal muffin.
Oh, really? Can I have one?
Those are for dieting, like you.
With me? Okay.
For those working out.
Number 7 is to communicate with your loved ones or spend time with your family if you're all at home. This one, I'm talking to my cousin Eliza. Of course, we are apart because she lives an hour away from Toronto.
Bro, show me in the camera, bro.
But I'm recording this. I'm screen recording it. Oh, ako din. Me too. So, did you do your workout? Can't believe I'm recording.
Baka sabihin na sa recording, hindi ganun ko talaga.
At ka kay Auntie Beth. Straight lang na. Hi. How are you? I'm doing a video right now, and this is one of them. So I'm screen recording this.
Alright, well, tomorrow?
Masaya mo naman.
Wala na kumandaan, best. Naka-on ba yan?
Yeah, it's part of my video.
Ay!
No, hindi. Walang boses yung video.
Of course, guys, don't forget that you could always bond with your family at home by watching movies, sharing some stories, and just being open to each other. Next one is do your hobbies or explore, so you could have a hobby that you would like to do. For me, it's singing, playing the piano, and swimming. But of course, we don't have a swimming pool, so I can't show you that at the moment. This is just a bonus, you guys, but I also love cooking and it's one of my hobbies as well. But this one, I'm just showing you me cooking some rice. And we are down to number 9. Watch something nice. You can use Netflix, YouTube, any website, I guess, where you can find something that really interests you. By the way, I'm watching the Bible series. This one is The Life of Joshua. And I like to watch Korean shows, any Asian shows that's romantic comedy. This one right here is a Thailand TV series on Netflix and it's called Well-Intended Love if you would like to watch it. And we are down to number 10. Last but not the least, hashtag self-pampering. Self-care is really vital and important for us, especially to the girls out there. You can do some hair care, skin care, massage, and mani and pedi at home.
Butter.
The fruits. The tinapay.
For the facial cleanser, I use the aloe flavor Herb Day cleansing foam from the Face Shop. And then I use the Sika Dr. Belmer Ampule. It's like an essence for the face before I will apply the mask. Self-care is not complete without a face mask, so now I'm just applying my Innisfree face mask. It is cream type, that's why it's a little bit more thicker, and it's also flavored rice. It's for brightening your face. One tip is to take remaining products, slather it onto your hands, and then smudge it on your skin. It's gonna be really smooth after. And of course, I grabbed a snack while waiting for the time to finish. But of course, I'm gonna have a hard time because I'm wearing a face mask. Feel free to laugh at me, you guys.
That he might be the firstborn among many brethren, not his own son, but delivered him up for us all. How shall he not with him also freely give us all things? Who shall lay anything to the charge of God's elect? It is God that justifieth. Who is he that can...
Thank you guys for watching the whole video. If you've come to this point, I really appreciate you for watching the whole video for me. Please let me know, guys, which one you loved out of the 10 things that I did on this video. And please comment down below what you would like to see next on my vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell button down there so you can get more updates whenever I post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye. God bless.